Intellectual property challenges in the realm of 3D printed products are becoming increasingly complex. As technology advances, so do the legal implications surrounding it. When we talk about patentability, we're diving into whether a 3D printed product can even be patented in the first place. The criteria for patentability, novelty, non-obviousness, and utility can be tricky to navigate, especially when the design process is so fluid and iterative. Consider this. You create a unique design for a 3D printed object. It's innovative, it's functional, and you're ready to protect it. But wait, has someone else already patented a similar design? The rapid pace of innovation in 3D printing means that what seems original today might not be tomorrow. This is where thorough research and a solid understanding of existing patents become crucial. Then there's the issue of enforcement. Even if you secure a patent, how do you protect it? The nature of 3D printing allows for easy replication, often leading to infringement. Imagine someone downloading your design, printing it, and selling it without your permission. Enforcing your patent rights can be a daunting task, often requiring legal expertise and resources that many inventors simply don't have. This is where Patent PC comes into play. Patent PC offers a streamlined approach to the patent process, making it easier for inventors and businesses to navigate these challenges. Their platform provides tools that simplify patent searches, helping you identify existing patents and assess the patentability of your 3D printed innovations. With their assistance, you can focus on what you do best, creating, while they handle the complexities of the patent landscape. Moreover, Patent PC helps you prepare and file your patent applications efficiently, reducing the time and effort involved. This means you can secure your intellectual property faster and with greater confidence, allowing you to concentrate on bringing your innovative products to market. In a world where 3D printing is revolutionizing industries, understanding the legal landscape is essential. The risks of not protecting your intellectual property can be significant, but with the right tools and support, you can navigate these waters successfully. If you're venturing into the world of 3D printing and want to safeguard your creations, I encourage you to visit patentpc.com. Their expertise can make a real difference in your journey, ensuring that your innovations are protected and that you can focus on what truly matters, your creativity and your business.